Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today English video. I am going to show you how to check any YouTube channel analytics. First, open any YouTube channel which you want to see analytics. Go to the bio of the YouTube channel of which YouTube channel you want to see its analytics and copy the link. Click on YouTube channel bio. Here you have to copy this channel link. After that, you have to go to Google and search Social Blade. After clicking on the first link, you will see a website like this. Here you have to paste the link of YouTube channel. Now here you can see all the monthly earning analytics and subscribers of this YouTube channel. And you can also watch live subscriber live views and live earnings of this channel. In this way, you can see the analytics of any YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe this channel.